DataFest is quite the opportunity for communities like those in the north of Uganda to join the rest of Africa and a main event that will take place in Kampala, to be able to connect our perspectives, our opinions, but also to give an opportunity for the under-recognized communities out there to share their raw perspectives on how data can influence their work. Today, we are being able to look at this from the lenses of agriculture, livelihoods, and gender equality. How can data support all these three areas?
So from the theme of reclaiming our data futures, I think we've managed to ground ourselves very much in what it is we're talking about when we talk about data for communities, local data, and we've been able to look at that, especially across the areas of data for gender equality and how data is shaping livelihoods or not, and data for agriculture, which are some of the most core components or where data would matter the most in the northern region.
In particular, the conversations have dwelled quite a bit on gender equality. This is an issue that is very relevant to this community because the numbers speak for themselves. Very many women or young women generally have been left behind because they cannot take part in the economies because of the position that culture leaves them in. One of the participants mentioned that the women of Northern Uganda are the invisible breadwinners in the homes in which they live.
You find that there's a man in the house, and then there's a woman taking care of everything, and the man is not doing much, but she's not actually being targeted as somebody who is actually bringing growth to the GDP because she's not actually technically paid for the work she's doing.
We all come with different biases, and just listening to different people sharing the different gaps that they see basing on their day-to-day interactions and the work that they do has been, for me, one of the key highlights here.
The communities that are most affected by the issues that we see like gender equality need to be represented in forming data sets around the issues that affect them. And these same communities need to actually be consulted when decisions are being made.
So this for me has been, I think, a highlight of why these conversations are very important. Bringing, data actors from different backgrounds and different experiences to really, share their insights and experiences in uncovering what these data gaps are. But then now informing what we then do, with the kind of data that we collect.
I'm hoping that from the conversations here that we're able to carry these conversations along in the advocacy that we do, in the research that we do, in the design of the tools that we come up with, and really to be able to shape, inform policy making upward, to be able to ground itself along the lines of the issues that are pertinent to different communities.
Cheers to everyone attending DataFest in Kampala. We are very grateful that you can be able to tap into our message, listen to our voices, and we feel connected to you in a way that we've not done before. Thank you very much.